Alright, so I'm gonna take and change our belt in here. It's pretty worn out and I'm afraid it's gonna break. It's all original, just less than 100,000 miles on this truck. It sat for, I think 15 years or so, and then I've been driving it for about 5 years now, so it's cracked. It's time for a change. Let's get on. So you got your tensioner down here. We got to put pressure on that to make the belt looser, to pull it off. It's a good idea to take a picture of the way your pulley goes, or the way your belt goes on your pulleys. Or most vehicles have a diagram right there that shows you. So I bought this on Amazon. I think it was a 97 and a half inch belt. It was Sunday, so I just bought it so that I could have it just in case. And I bought it with the AC because my truck does have AC. It doesn't work very good, but it has AC. And that makes the belt extra long because you're adding to the circumference. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this tensioner loosened and get this belt off. You just keep your hand out of the blade as much as you can, because if you whack that with all your strength on there, there's a good chance it's going to cut you really bad. I've been cut one time. It didn't cut me good enough where I needed stitches. Alright, so go ahead and, alright. There's my old one. We'll compare them here in a second. I'll show you. So just to show you here, this is our Dakota one. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's cracked right there. And you see here on these, maybe you can't. I gotta get better lighting in here someday, but yeah, these are starting to crack. So I don't need my belt flying off. So I bought a Goodyear. Goodyear doesn't have those little cogs in there. And this is a 7 rib, so this is part number 1070975. And I got this straight from Amazon, so this is the 5.2 motor. So now we just need to do the opposite. Make sure the belt fits. I'll have this off. That one there, starting to get a little noisy. Water pump's still good. Seat compressor's still pretty good. Power steering. Easy way to tell if your pulleys are getting worn out. I must suspect this one's gonna go next. It's a little noisy, but I'm not too worried about it yet. I don't really hear it on the engine when it's running, so usually you start hearing the belt squeal and you start hearing bearings go bad. Of course, this is gonna want to stay in its original shape that it was in the box. This around the crank here. So there we go. The crank is first. And we're gonna that's where it can be a little difficult by yourself. So we're gonna hold tension in there. We're gonna go around the water pump while keeping pressure in here. And then we're gonna go down around the power steering pump. Still keeping pressure on it. And then we're gonna go on the top of our AC. And then, so the belt tensioner is pulled all the way out and the belt's short. So that's good because we don't want it to be too long. So we'll go back down here. Back on the tensioner. Okay. Now we just gotta check our chart over here. Belt looks tight. Belt is on all the pulleys. Everything looks correct. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. What I also can say is I just bumped it with the key to make sure the belt's kind of lined up before I just turned it on. So that's pretty simple. That's all I got for this one. So like I said, it's part number 1070975 for the 1996 Dodge Dakota with the 5.2 Magnum. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.